In a quiet little village, a cheerful boy named Nikla woke up to the sweet sound of birds singing. The sky was painted with the colours of dawn. As Nikla walked into the garden, a soft whitish bird fluttered down and landed on the wooden fence. Nikla froze in awe. Day after day the bird returned. Nikla shared his snacks and the bird stayed longer each time. They became best friends without saying a word. One evening, dark clouds filled the sky. A strong wind blew. Nikla searched the whole garden, but the bird was nowhere to be found. The next morning the sun came back. Nikla sat in the wet garden with hope in his heart. Suddenly, wings fluttered. The bird was back. Nikla learned something beautiful. Friendship doesn't need words, just kindness and care.